Hi everybody, this is Prashak here and I have made a project on integrated environmental monitoring system. In this project, I have used an Arduino Uno with two different sensors to measure environmental conditions to affect plants' health. The DHT11 sensor monitors both air temperature and humidity, while a soil moisture sensor checks for dry or wet soil. These three readings together help to determine if a plant is in a healthy environment. Let me show you the circuit. The DH11 sensor has three main connections: power, ground, data pin, which I have connected to a digital pin 2 on the Arduino. Yep, the soil I have connected is to analog pin A0 because it provides a varying analog value depending on soil wetness. I am also using the LEDs. The yellow LED is connected to pin 9 and the red LED is connected to pin 10. A resistor is added in series with each LED to protect them from too much current. Now I'll explain you how the program works. The code begins by including DHT library and setting up all sensor pins. Inside the loop function, the Arduino continuously reads temperature, humidity, and soil moisture values every 2 seconds. The yellow LED stays on all the time to show that the system is powered and working properly. A condition is then checked in the code. If a temperature becomes too high, the humidity rises above the limit and the soil becomes dry at same time. The red LED turns on. But as the soil in the plant is wet, so the yellow LED will be on. Moreover, all the sensors are also sent to serial monitor so we can observe the readings. Yep, these are the readings. And let me demonstrate the system. As you can see, the yellow LED is currently on, meaning everything is normal, the humidity, the soil moisture value updating. If I blow warm or towards the DH11 sensor or remove the soil moisture sensor from wet soil and keep it in the dry soil, then the red LED will turn on. But right now, the yellow LED is turned on. That means everything is working very properly. So this project helped me to learn how to integrate multiple sensors with Arduino, how to work with analog and